Hi everyone, my name is Surinder. Today I am presenting the assignment word of math, assignment to presentation. The top activity overview, play based activity, building block construction, age group 3 to 4 year, math concept I choose, shape recognition and measurement. Early year learning framework curriculum length. Outcome 4. Children are confident and explore idea through play. Component 4.2. Pre-prep learn different skill and process such as solving problem, inspecting, experimentation, exploring and investigating. Outcome 5. Pre-prep are independent communicator. Component 5.4 Children start recognize pattern, sort, category, order and compare with other things. Introducing the action. This activity is presenting the children with multiple blocks of different shape, size and color. Present the activity by using amazing language. Today we are going to make something interesting in the block area. Who's ready? Who's excited to make that? Keep some of the block and show them, look what I made. Do you think anyone can make same thing? Choose the language to the children can understand mathematically turn. How many green or red block I use here? What shape is this top tower? To encourage the children to be made with the block, while children are playing, allow them to explore and investigating independently. Observe how they are engaging with the activity. Join the movement and scaffolding the learning. Ask the open-end question and use mathematical language. Which shape is suitable for this building? How many square shapes do you need to complete this building? How might you know half circle shape is suitable for this arch? Evidence and justification. Through play-based learning, children develop many areas. According to Glennie Raman, considering the most fabulous way to develop mathematical skill when children using their hand and eye on the activity. Through play, children may be able to set up their social skill. They are raised to thinking, motivate, and imagination. According to Angeleri, children learn through their children, family, peers, and society, which is fundamental way of learning. Kidney and Violet suggest that play is the vital for children's physical and mental health. Through this learning activity, children individually play with block shape, making a different pattern and try to fix them in a various way. Theoretical perspective. Vyazsky and Ryuchov was slowly draw the social culture theory. Social culture theory suggests that every child development is different and educators should understand how they develop in the surrounding of their community. Educators have more knowledge other. According to Vyazsky, children can make today with the help of their educator and maybe they can do the self and share with other. The scaffold is the development of children knowledge and each day understanding by providing assistance by educator engaging with learning activity. In this activity, some children may not have a strong skill like others have. May they need some assistance. This is why the action set up to allow the flexible movement so educator can help children who need extra support to figure out which arch need triangle, square or half circle shape and how many shape they need to complete this task. Numeracy and mathematical language. During this activity, the educator use of the mathematical language by explaining the different shape figure. For example, point at the top or straight line, number of edge, how many corner of this shape, counting the shape with children, and asking the question if the half circle fall, can they choose the circle or triangle shape to fix up the tower? How many corner circle have? How many side triangle shape have? Thank you for watching the video presentation.